Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. I am Barbara and today we're going to bake together mango and spinach baby puffs. Baby puffs are a lifesaver when you have a baby because they are a light snack that you can give to your baby. You can keep your baby busy just playing with baby puffs, and they are also a lovely light snack before meals. I used to give to my kids baby puffs while I was preparing the main meal, not a lot of them, enough to keep them busy and not too upset while I was preparing the main meal. I've been trying different recipes of baby puffs, and in the link here below or here up you can find the playlist with all the super healthy homemade baby puffs recipes that I shared. And today I have a new recipe for you because I'm using one of the fruit that my kids love. They've been loving it since they were babies and they still love it. Mango. We're going to prepare mango baby puffs. The procedure is super simple. Basically, the concept is that you create a baby puree. You simply divide it in drops and you dehydrate the drops in the oven, creating puffs. So let's start together and I will show you how easy it is. First thing to do, we're going to place all the ingredients in a tall container if you're using an immersion blender or in a food processor. Starting from the lovely mango, and check out the sweetness of the mango. It's very important because we are not going to use any additional sugar, only the fruit. Then I'm going to add the baby rice cereal. I use baby rice cereal and the puffs ended up being gluten-free, but you can use any other baby cereal that you have at disposal. I'm also going to add half a cup of baby spinach because I really like to add some greens in my baby recipes. And I will keep going with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 egg yolk. The egg yolk is the binder for this recipe. If you want a recipe that is egg-free, check the playlist that I mentioned before. But for this recipe, the egg really keeps my baby puffs together. Blend everything in order to obtain a lovely smooth consistency. I already prepared a baking tray lined with some parchment paper, and I'm going to create with a teaspoon small dots of puffs, one next to the other. Have fun filling the whole parchment paper. Bake the mango and spinach baby puffs in preheated oven at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, reduce the temperature to 250 Fahrenheit degrees and keep baking for 55 minutes. You will see if the puffs are ready if basically touching the surface, you will not have any residual. Nothing will stick to your fingers, and also they will be easy to be removed. That's why we're using the parchment paper. It's important. Let them cool down completely so they will be easier to be removed, and simply serve them to your little one. Let him or her play with the baby puffs. They are super yummy. I really love the mango and spinach flavor combined together, and it's also a super healthy recipe. I really hope your little one is going to enjoy this recipe. If you're looking for similar ones, check the link in the area here below. If you're looking for the ingredients list and the full procedure, check also the link to my blog in the area here below. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and you will receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao.